So, dear students, today we'll discuss fast voltage fluctuations. So, fast changes in voltage magnitude. It is usually referred to as voltage fluctuations, or sometimes it is also known as voltage flicker. The main concern is that they result in a phenomena called light flicker. So, with a frequency range that will be between 1 and 10 hertz. So, flicker, it is a sensation of steadiness in a light intensity where the observer notices that the light is not constant intensity over a long period but cannot observe the light individual changes. Most people experience light flicker as uncomfortable even if they are not always notice the flicker. So light flicker, it should not be confused with occasional changes or dips in light intensity due to voltage step, or it may be voltage dip. So the term voltage fluctuation and rapid voltage changes are sometimes used in the following meaning. So that is voltage fluctuation, they are continuous change in voltage magnitude at time scale up to several minutes. Similarly, rapid voltage changes are fast and stepwise changes in voltage magnitude. So, voltage fluctuation in wind power. So, fast variation is generated power that may lead to voltage fluctuations. Right? So, fast variation in a generated power will lead to voltage fluctuations. So, they are concerned for those sources for which available power strongly varies with respect to the time, notably wind power and solar power. So, wind turbine produces continuously a varying output as the velocity of wind will be different in different places. So, three time scales are distinguished here, that is variation with a frequency of several hertz, that is caused due to turbine dynamics, the tower resonance, and the gearbox. Second point is periodic power pulsation at the frequency at which blade passes the tower. Typically 1 hertz for a larger turbine. So these are referred to as 3p oscillations for 3 blade turbine, and its range of frequency associated with the rotation of the turbine, that will be with respect to the tower, right? So slow variation due to changes in the wind speed. So next is fast fluctuation in solar power. So variation in the production by solar power installation occur at a range of time scale. So time scale means it will be a seasonal variation, that is due to the tilt of earth axis together with its orbit around the sun, down to variation at a time scale of seconds due to the passing cloud, right? So the later are the ones that causes fast fluctuation in the voltage magnitude, which possibly result in voltage fluctuation or light flickering. Then rapid voltage changes. So intentionally or accidental switching of wind turbine, this will result in fast changing in voltage magnitude, which is referred to as voltage step, or it is also called as rapid voltage changes. Rapid voltage changes exceeding a few percent of nominal voltage, that is caused due to visible change in the light intensity of incandescent lamp. So there is no clear limit on frequency and magnitude of this rapid change voltage changes, but there are some general guidance. That is, if repeated changes in the voltage magnitude results in a short duration flicker value. So from this, the value is exceeding from 1.0 over a period, that is 1 hour or 1 hour or longer. The majority of person will consider this as uncomfortable when they are using incandescent lamp, and with respect to other type of lighting it will be very less sensitive. Next point, rapid changes, that is rapid voltage changes of 2% or higher, which give noticeably change in the light intensity of an incandescent lamp. So different standard limit are there for number of rapid voltage changes which exceeds 2% at most several times a day. So rapid voltage changes exceeding 5% should only occur rarely, at most few times per year. Very short variation. The power production by distributed generation varies over a range of time scale from seconds till many years. Of most concern at distribution level, there are variations in solar and wind power, and the variations are more in these two types. Right? At this moment, no limit on voltage magnitude variation at the time scale. So, because the time scale it varies between second till the minutes. So, the impact of such variation is unknown, but high level of variation are expected, especially with impact of motor loads. So, as you are applying load, the variation will be more obviously, where production at time scale between seconds and minutes. So, measurement shows two components in a very short variation. A continuous level due to small changes, very small changes, that is especially in voltage magnitude which caused by the voltage or load variation, and a large number of switching actions of small loads. So small loads which correspond to continuous voltage fluctuations, right? So and occasionally higher level due to fast and larger changes in voltage magnitude. So this is corresponding to rapid voltage changes. Thank you.